Hello student, good morning. Today we will study first poem A House, a Home, which is written by Lauren M. Hulley. Lauren M. Hulley was an American poet. She was born on 8 December 1921 in St. Peter, Minnesota, USA. Some of the vocabulary are here which are difficult words for you. You have to write in your classwork book. Yard, eaves, stucco. Yard means a piece of land next to someone's house with grass and plants growing in it. Eaves, the edge of the roof. Stucco, a type of plaster used for covering walls, decorating ceiling. Ceiling means chat. So these are the vocabulary you have to write in your classwork book. Okay. Now let's study the poem. A house, a homes. What is the difference between a house and home? Have ever you thought what is house and what is home? क्या पता है उसके बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? किसको हाउस कहते हैं, किसको होम कहते हैं? We will study it. First stanza. A house, a home. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some windows, glass, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tiles floor and stucco and roof and lots of doors. Generally we see in the house. These are the things that we see in the house, and because of this the house can be made. And with the help of those things the house can be made. Is it? हाउस में जनरली क्या होता है कि हम किससे हमारा घर बनता है, तो जनरली डोर्स आर देयर, विंडोज आर देयर, सीलिंग्स इज देयर, सीमेंट वॉल्स आर देयर, टाइल्स आर देयर, bricks and stones are there, and with the help of those things the house can be made. House, student, house. इससे हाउस बनता है, इससे होम नहीं बनता. इट मीन्स कि जिसमें डोर्स हो, विंडोज हो, फ्लोर हो, टाइल्स की दीवार हो या फिर फ्लोर पर टाइल्स हो, इससे हाउस बनता है, होम नहीं बनता. सो in this poem, in the first stanza, see the last word house, stone, hard, glass, yard, chimneys, floors, roof, doors. So just see the rhymey word. तो हमको rhymey word मिल रहा है hard and yard, floors and doors. So in this way we can say that it's a particular house कि जिसमें doors, windows, chimney and whatever the things are there, it means it is a house. You can see in the picture there is a picture of house here. Now second stanza, which is refers to the home. First stanza refers to house, second stanza refers to home. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. Doing for others means we help each other. Mother cook, father earns money, children help the mother and be the helping hand for their parents. It's brother and sister and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish act and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Here the word unselfish means जिसमें कोई स्वार्थ ना हो, and kindly means pity, दया. तो एक दूसरे के प्रति पीटी होते हैं, काइंडफुल होते हैं, दे हेल्प ईच अदर, दे शेयर द थिंग्स with each other, there is love and care for each other. Parents care for the children, for their kids, and kids also care for their parents, and in this way the home is made. होम जो होता है उसमें प्यार होता है, लव होता है, केयर होता है, पेरेंट्स होते हैं, बच्चे होते हैं. You can see in the picture. Generally this kind of scene is seen everywhere, is it? तो ये scene जो है some Here parents are there, children are there, they are watching television, they are caring for each other. So this is home. जहाँ पर प्यार और लव होता है वहाँ पर होम होता है, और जहाँ पर सिर्फ विंडोज एंड डोर्स एंड टाइल फ्लोर्स होते, यार्ड होते, दैट इज house. So this is the difference between house and home. Now let's talk about the rhymey scheme of the second stanza. The rhymey word are there: home, family, other, sister, mother, acts, sharing, ones, loved ones, caring. So mother and other and mother and sharing and caring are the rhymey word. So the rhymey scheme can be made A and B. When the school will reopen, I will teach you how to give the rhymey scheme. Now here I am teaching you rhymey word. तो राइमी वर्ड तो हमने जान लिया कि उसके जैसा जो सिमिलर प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है, इट मीन्स दोज आर राइमी वर्ड. बट उसको ए और बी और सी और डी दिया जाता है. व्हेन स्कूल विल रीओपन आई विल टीच यू फिजिकली. ओके, सो हियर वी लर्न टू व्हाट इज हाउस एंड व्हाट इज होम. नाउ लेट्स सी the exercise of the poem. Working with the poem, you have to write this exercise in your. A house is made of, the answer is given, it is made of lifeless bricks and stone. Lifeless means जिसमें जीवन नहीं होता, ब्रिक्स और स्टोन में जीवन नहीं होता. और हाउस अगर हम कहें तो हाउस में भी जीवन नहीं होता. जीवन कहाँ है? वेयर इज़ द लाइफ? वेयर देर इज़ अ होम. द पीपल आर देयर caring and loving each other. The second one, it has windows, glasses and courtyard, tile floors, doors and roof. Third one, a home is made of, घर किससे बनता है? Loving and caring parents and childrens. It has members who understand each other. They love and care for one another. They understand each other. They understand the feelings of each other. And that's why they care for the others. They are kindful for the others. Now question 2. Now complete these sentences about your house and home. My home is. You have to write. If suppose you want to write by your own self, you can write it. The question 1 is my home. My house is a structure of bricks, marbles and tiles. It has beautiful windows, doors with curtains, a nice drawing room and a spacious study room. If suppose you want to explain your house here, you can write it. आपके घर के बारे में explain करना है, you can do it. You are free to write. The best things about my home is that all the family members are very loving and caring. There are no disputes means jhagda, quarrel, disputes or misunderstanding among us. See the students, in the second one, if you want to write about your condition of your home, आपके घर में इससे भी ज़्यादा कुछ हो रहा है तो आप लिख सकते हो. So question 2, first and second one, in which you can write, you are free to write in your own words. अगर own words में ना लिखना हो, अगर यही लिख देना हो, you are free to write. ये भी लिख सकते हो. Okay? And please, as you complete the homework, please click the photos and send me on my WhatsApp number. And one thing is important, if you do not subscribe our school channel, please subscribe it today. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.